Echoes of the past we leave. In the light we now believe. Together we can both achieve a brighter path where we can breathe. Through the mist and through the fear, love will light the path so clear. Hand in hand we persevere. In your eyes the truth appears.